In 2024, the Pakistani television industry showcased several notable drama that captivated audience with compelling narratives, exceptional performances, and talented cast. Here are some of the most acclaimed dramas of the year. Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum. This romantic drama marked Fahad Mustafa's much anticipated return to television after a decade-long hiatus. The series, starring alongside the charming Hania Amir, became a massive success and garnered widespread acclaim. Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum was the highest-rated program in Pakistani television since 2021. With its emotionally charged storyline and remarkable performances, the drama's immense popularity led to its final episode being screened in cinemas, making it a rare and unique event in Pakistani television history. The chemistry between the lead actor and the depth of the storyline earned the series a place in the hearts of viewers. Let's talk about the cast of the drama. Fahad Mustafa worked as Arman, Hania Amir as Mehak, Javed Sheikh as Mehak's father, and Samina Ahmed as Arman's father, Faizan Sheikh as Rehan, Suhail Samir as Mehak's uncle, Aisha Khan as Mehak's sister, Nausheen Shah as Arman's colleague, Shehzad Raza as Arman's friend, Sabika Imam as Mehak's best friend. The combination of captivating storytelling and standout performances from the assemblance cast helped make Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum one of the defining drama of 2024. The drama Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum offers several valuable lessons that resonate both with the people of Pakistan and globally. The complexity of relationship. One of the main themes of the show is the complexity of human relationship. It portrays how love, misunderstandings, ego, and communication barriers can impact relationship. This teaches the importance of empathy, patience, and understanding in maintaining strong relationship, whether the romantic or familiar. So if we discuss about the role of communication, misunderstanding often stem from poor communication, and the drama highlights how a lack of open dialogue can create distance between people. It encourages viewers to prioritize honest communication to resolve issues and strengthen bonds. Self-growth and healing. The character undergoes significant personal growth, showing the value of self-reflection and healing. The journey of overcoming personal struggles and flaws is something relatable to many people worldwide, teaching the importance of self-importance. The drama also cultivate the cultural context and family values. For Pakistani audience, the drama emphasizes the importance of family values, societal expectation, and the role of cultural norms in relationships. It provides insight into how these elements shape individuals' life and decisions. The power of forgiveness. Forgiveness plays a crucial role in the storyline, and the character eventually understanding of this concept is key to their emotional resolution. It teaches viewers the healing power of letting go of past hurts, a lesson valuable universally. Patience in the face of adversity. The drama portrays how the character deals with personal and external challenges. It teaches resilience and patience, reminding viewers that enduring tough time can lead to personal and relational growth. These lessons are not limited to Pakistan but resonate with audiences worldwide, as themes are universal and applicable to various cultures and societies. Guys, this was Amna Tariq reporting. Thank you so much for watching Desi TV USA. Please do share, follow, like and subscribe. I will keep on bringing more informative and entertainment related news just for you because you guys are very much valuable to us. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.